Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make the paper airplane. Fold the corners, or just, I don't know how to explain this step, just like rewatch it a couple times and until you get it right. Then unfold, fold it for the other side, do the same thing. Make sure you get nice creases. You want to see those after you unfold. Make sure it lines up too. You want it line up. Get a nice crease, and then unfold. You should see a big X right in the middle. Not in the middle, on the upper top. Then rewatch this step because this step is very hard. Rewatch this step a couple times until you get it right. This step is kind of complicated. Do the same thing from the other side. Make sure you get it nice and creased. Then you will fold it from the top to the bottom. You will see like a kind of like a triangle shape on the top, like with no like bottom line. And you're gonna want it from the point of the triangle all the way at the top. You're gonna want to fold it along the triangle line. It'll help you. It'll like guide you. It'll be easy to fold. Do the same thing from the other side. And make sure you crease it up really nice. Now you will want to overlap both of the sides like this. Make sure you crease it really hard because you don't want it to be like not creased hard enough and then it's going to just unfold and it's going to be bad. Now I prefer doing the wings like this. It helps. You can make your own kind of wings. Just it's up to you. You can make better wings, maybe. I don't know. And then you want to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. It must be the same exact wing. You cannot make two different wings or else it would not fly. And once again, I prefer these kind of wings. I think these wings are the best. And that's it.